So this is a story of a married couple. So this couple are married for the last 5 years. So they came here with complaints of the male partner. He had a very poor sperm count, motility, and morphology. Regarding the female partner, the parameters were normal. The male is around 37 years old. He had bilateral breakthrough varicocele. So initially, the sperm parameters are very poor. We did a varicocele correction, and it got improved. But after the improvement also, they were trying for a long time, but there was not a proper conception. Then the couple decided to go for the ICSI procedure. So finally, we went for the ICSI procedure. I'll show you, these are the eggs which we had retrieved from the wife. And these are the eggs which are retrieved from the wife. And this is the ICSI procedure which was done for them. See how the ICSI is done. And I'll show how the blasts are formed. So yeah, this is the blast. It's actually the day 5 blast. So there's a good formation of blasts. You can see the cavity over here. Here also the cavity is there. So we are not yet done the transfer for them, and we are hoping for a good result for this couple. Thank you.